Good afternoon, Josh. Thank you for your inquiry on the all-new 2020 Hyundai Palisade. As you can see, we have one over here on the showroom floor. Let me take you through it real quick. Up front, we got our beautiful, aggressive, cascading Hyundai grille with our wraparound LED daytime running lights and LED headlights. You're going to get very sporty alloy wheels with nitrogen-filled tires, LED turn signals, blind spot detection, and a proximity key. Let's take a look on the inside. This one's going to have the bench seat in the middle. You're going to get the sunroof up top, touchscreen LED monitor with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, shift-by-wire technology, all sorts of different drive modes, smart cruise control, along with your regular cruise control, all of your media functions, and your safety options like lane keep assist and your blind spot detection. But Josh, that's not the best part about us here at Tameron. The best part about us here are the warranties. 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain. We double that, 20 years, 200,000, no cost to you. Also, we got service, 3 years, 36,000 miles. You're gonna get oil change, oil filter, multi-point inspection, and your tire rotation. That's all on us. My name's Kevin. Come see me. I'll be your point of contact. You can reach me at my cell, 205-767-3050. You're gonna love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hoover.